Trapped in every subscriber on my YouTube channel, there's a YouTuber. I'll say it again in case you missed it. Trapped in every subscriber on my YouTube channel, there's a YouTuber. You know why? Because we came here for a purpose. None of us was born without a reason. None of us was born without solutions. We all came here to bring solutions to humanity. We all were designed to fulfill something. If you're not starting a YouTube channel, you're robbing us, humanity. You are being greedy. All you are doing is just overthinking, right? You're just being selfish because you have solutions that we need. You came here on earth to offer us help. Each and every one of us, if we became productive citizens, the world wouldn't be where we are today. We wouldn't have a lot of problems that we have today. Now, you are overthinking this. Check this out. The only reason why you are hindering yourself is because you have a big ego. I know you think people who get on camera, they're the ones with biggest egos, but no, you're the one with the ego because you're overthinking this. You're thinking, oh, I don't like how I look in this camera. I don't like how I sound. It's not about you. It's not about you. It's about your purpose. It's about offering your purpose to us. It's about saving humanity. It's about for the betterment of humanity, not just for yourself. So you're overthinking this. The reason why you clicked on this video is because it was made for you. You are not seeing this by mistake, right? You are not seeing this video by mistake. We are all created in the image of a creator. We are all creators. You are not born here to just consume. You are not born to be a consumer, to just take. No, you are here so that you can offer solutions, so that you can create. You are born in the image of a creator. That's what you were born for. And each and every one of us, we have solutions that other people need. So the reason why you have to get on camera is because you have to help us. We have to help one another. We all have experienced pain in our lives. All of us, we have experienced some form of pain, whatever it is. And if you're watching this video, it means you're alive. It means you've survived that pain. You have to offer that solution to us. How are you going to offer it to a lot of people? By getting on camera. You don't even have to be a prolific speaker or fucking charismatic speaker like I am, right? You don't need that. Not all content is about speaking or just, you can offer solutions. You can, even if it's entertainment, right? Whatever it is, but you are born for a solution. You are born for a purpose. You are born for a reason. You didn't come here to just consume, lay there and do nothing with your life. There's a lot of benefits to creating a YouTube channel, but I'm not going to touch on those because I don't want to, I don't want to give you like just simple things about creating or starting a YouTube channel. I just want to get to the root of it. The root of it. First thing is you have a big ego. That's why you're having a fucking big problem getting on camera. It's not even much of a big deal. Second thing is you have to create a life that you're proud of because this takes fucking hard work. Matter of fact, I wouldn't say it takes hard work. It doesn't take hard work. You have to do it daily. You have to create a life that you're proud of. And by creating a life that you're proud of, I don't mean you have to spend a lot of money. Just by your habits, you have to separate yourself from the normies. If you have nothing to hide, getting on camera wouldn't be much of a big deal. If you have nothing to hide, getting on camera is not a big deal because you don't care what people think. You have no monsters in your closet, right? You have nothing to hide. Why is it a big deal for you? Is because there are some things that you're hiding that you're not proud of. So make sure you clean those things. Make sure you clean your habits, you clean your lifestyle so that you can get on camera. If you have nothing to hide, you'll be hyped each and every day to get on camera. You'll be hyped to offer those solutions, to show up on camera. Like, I cannot just wait to shoot my fucking YouTube video. You know why? Because I have nothing to hide, because I'm proud of my life, even when the camera is off. Matter of fact, if I had enough storage, if my fucking camera wouldn't stop overheating, I would keep the camera on day in, day out so that I can offer my solutions to my people, right? So that I can do that for the betterment of humanity, so that I can reach more people, so that I can help a lot of people, okay? So if you have nothing to hide, starting a YouTube channel is not that much of a big deal. You have to construct yourself. You have to build yourself, your lifestyle in a way that you cannot wait to share your solutions. You cannot wait to get on camera. So that's how it is. Starting a YouTube channel is not that much of a big deal. If you are alive, it's an enjoyable life. If you're not doing some sneaky shit, you are not stabbing people in the back, you are not gossiping about people, you are offering solutions, you are a valuable person, you offer solutions, you offer value to people. You don't want to just take. You are not greedy. You can offer, you can give, right? Whatever you give, you will receive. Whatever you want to keep, give it away. If you want more knowledge, give it away. If you want more love, give it away. It will always come back to you. So that's why you have to start a YouTube channel. And I'm not going to talk about the money aspect. Fuck that. Fuck all the money aspect. It's all the feeling you will get knowing that you're helping humanity. Like I said, we are all born for a reason. We all came here on earth to bring about solutions. No one is came here to just suck up oxygen and do nothing with their fucking life. You're born for a solution. You're born for a purpose. You need to discover that. And how you're going to discover that is just making sure that you are living a life that you're proud of. You are living a life that you have nothing to hide. You are living a life that you have a pure heart. You don't fucking stab people in the back. You don't wish ill things on other people. You know, you have a fucking clear, pure heart. You wished for everyone to win. That's how you can start a fucking YouTube channel. It's easy. And like I said, it's gonna take fucking showing up on camera daily. How you do that is by making sure you clean your fucking habits. You clean your life. You live a life that you're proud of. You construct your lifestyle in a way that you cannot wait to share your solutions to people. So starting a YouTube channel, it's not that much of a big deal. Drop the ego. It's not that much of a big deal. We all have fucking weaknesses. We all have something that we don't like about ourselves. So it's not just you. We all have things that, like, we can complain about. But like I said, it's not about you. It's about humanity. It's about serving your purpose. It's about helping us. Stop robbing us of the solutions that you came here on earth to deliver. Start a fucking YouTube channel and make sure that you stay consistent. Once you get to this life, it's really hard to stop, right? Because it's validating you. This is your way to get validation. Instead of like seeking approval from people, seeking validation from people, you can get validation from your habits, from your actions. Each and every deed that you take, it's a fucking plant. It's a seed. Each and every action that you take, it's a seed. So make sure that you are planting seeds that you want to reap. You are giving away what you want to receive. You are offering to people what you want them to offer you. Simple as ABC. If you want to be helped, help other people. If you want to feel happy, make other people happy. If you want to feel love, love other people. It is what it is. Those are universal laws. You know, stay tuned, man. Like I told you, trapped in every subscriber, there's a YouTuber. So I'll convert you motherfuckers into YouTubers. As long as you're watching, I'm going to inspire you to do something with your life. You're not going to stick around on my fucking YouTube channel and be a fucking useless human being like I used to be. You be a fucking loser like I used to be. I'm going to change you motherfuckers' lives. I'm going to offer my fucking solutions to you. I'm going to make sure that I live fucking pure. Even when the camera is fucking off, I'm going to make sure that I do what I say on this camera, even when the camera is off. I don't fucking jerk off. That's how I fucking separate myself from the rest of the normies. That's why I'm speaking with such conviction on this fucking camera. Because I separate myself from the normies with my habits. Not just, today's habits. No, daily fucking habits, motherfucker. And we need this validation each and every day. The only way to get validation is to validate yourself by your actions. Let's go!